Welcome to DFW Storm Solutions, where we go to hell and back to take care of your car for no money out of pocket. And that includes taking care of your deductible up to $1,000. Our techs are so highly trained that they can spot every part of the hail damage on every car and make sure that you get your car looking the way it was before the storm. Our facilities here are specifically designed for hail dent removal. In fact, they're air conditioned so our techs can be comfortable and they're not sweating inside your vehicles. We even provide a free loaner vehicle with a concierge service. So we come and pick your car up and then drop it back off when the job's done. Anytime you're dealing with your insurance companies, we're always worried about our rates going up. But because it's a comprehensive claim, hail damage does not make your insurance rates go up. So why the hell wouldn't you call us to fix the hail out of your car? DFW Storm Solutions will go to hail and back to make sure everything is put together the way that you wanted it.